Okay, so this type of problem is not that bad. It tells us the name of the circle is circle O. So we know that's the center point, even though there's not like a big dot there or anything. It's named circle O. Circle O, it means that the center point of the circle is the O. Okay, so that makes this angle, AOB, is a central angle. So if this is 45 degrees, the intercepted arc AB is also 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. ACB is the angle you're looking for. It's an inscribed angle and it uses the same arc. So we know inscribed angles are half as big as the arc. So really all we have to do is 45 divided by 2, which is going to be 22.5 degrees. Literally it. That's all you do. Okay, so I kind of explained this one in the other video, but I wanted to write the math out so you guys can see what's going on this one, you can't see the actual question, but what it's asking is wants to know the measurement of angle B. All right, so we're looking for the angle or the measurement of angle B. We have that angle B has an intercepted arc that is from C to D because the endpoints of the angles touch the circle at C and D. We also have angle A that shares the same intercepted arc. So whatever this value is, remember the angle that corresponds to that, the inscribed angle for that is going to be half as big as whatever the degree measurement is. So if that's true for B, it's also true for angle A, which in turn means that angle A and angle B are the same. So if they're congruent to each other, you can set up 5x, fix my 5 there, 5x equals 7x minus 8. We would subtract 5x from each side because we want to keep our x's positive. Everything canceled off the left, so I'm just going to put a 0 there because that's what it is. When there's nothing else there, it's 0. Then I have 2x minus 8. Then I have to add 8 back to each side, right? Cancel it off. Now I have 8 is equal to 2x, divide by 2, and I have that my x will equal 4. It's not asking what x equals. It's asking what b equals. B is 7x minus 8. So 7x minus 8, right? I can just say, okay, well, 7 times 4 minus 8. 7 minus 4 is going to be 20, or 7 times 4 is 28, minus 8 is going to give me 20. So I know my answer is 20. Let's say, for argument's sake, I wanted to try to do it a different way. A and B are the same. I could have also just plugged 4 in right there and said 5 times 4, which is 20, because if that's 20, that's 20. Either way, it doesn't really matter. As long as you know how to actually solve out, find your x, plug it back in, that's all that matters.